Fire hazards have been a major problem for years. Thousands of people die every year due to fire hazards. While large-scale industries and buildings have taken measures, such as high-functioning and sophisticated alarm systems and smoke detectors, to warn people about fire, small-scale industries and personal homes are still majorly vulnerable to the loss of life and property due to fire. Security has become an important requisite. This project is a prototype design that provides an effective and efficient way of protecting their possessions. It consists of an Arduino and a fire sensor. As soon as the sensor will sense the fire, water sprinkler will function to put out the fire and minimize the damage of your property. Here is the connection diagram of this project. Fire sensor module works on 5-volt power supply. Fire sensor module has 3 pins: VCC, ground, and output. Connect the VCC pin with the 5-volt pin, ground pin with the ground pin, and output pin with pin number 7 of Arduino. Relay module works on 5-volt power supply. It has 3 pins: VCC, ground, and input. Connect the VCC pin with 5-volt pin, ground pin with the ground pin, and input pin with pin number 11 of Arduino. DC water pump has 2 terminals, positive and negative. Connect the positive terminal with the normally open pin of relay, and connect the negative terminal with the ground pin of 9-volt battery. Connect the common pin of relay with the positive supply of 9-volt battery. This is the code of our project. Sensor state is an integer type variable. It will be used in the program to store the status of input pin. Initially we have set its value to 0. Void setup is a function we want to run once, as soon as the program starts running. In this project, we will give high or low signals to the relay connected at pin number 11. So we will make pin number 11 an output pin. We will read the status of the sensor connected at pin number 7. So we will make pin number 7 an input pin. Void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. Sensor state equals digital read 7. Digital read is a function which will read the status of pin number 7 and store its value in a variable sensor state. If sensor state value is low, then Arduino will give a high signal at its pin number 11, and relay will turn on. It shows that there is a fire in front of the sensor, so Arduino will turn on the pump. If sensor state value is high, then Arduino will give a low signal at its pin number 11, and relay will turn off. It shows that there is no fire in front of the sensor, so Arduino will off the pump. Now write this code on Arduino IDE compiler. Then save the program. Now check the code for any error by pressing this check button. If code is correct, then upload it to the Arduino hardware board. For this, connect the Arduino board with laptop or computer using a USB cable. Now go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Then press this arrow button to transfer the code to the Arduino hardware. Our code is now transferred to the Arduino successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take a DC water pump, a red wire, and a PP3 battery connector. Connect the black wire of the pump with the black wire of PP3 battery connector. Connect the red wire with the red wire of the pump. Cover the joints with insulation tape. Now we will connect the water pump with relay module. We will connect red wire of the water pump with normally open pin of relay. We will connect the red wire of 9-volt battery with the common pin of relay module. Now we will connect a red wire at its VCC pin, black wire at its ground pin, and green wire at its input pin. Now we will take a fire sensor module and connect a red wire at its VCC pin, black wire at its ground pin, and yellow wire at its output pin. Now we will join the red wires of relay and fire module with each other. Now connect the red wire of the sensor with the 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin, and yellow wire with pin number 7 of Arduino. Now connect the black wire of the relay module with the ground pin, and green wire with pin number 11 of Arduino. Now we need a nozzle to generate the water sprinkle. We are using a used bottle of room cleaner. To operate it using a water pump, we need to extract this rubber out of this nozzle. Now we can plug our water pump with this nozzle. We can buy a fresh nozzle also from the market. Now we will power up our project and test its functionality. We will use a matchstick to generate the fire. When no fire is detected, then fire sensor output is high, and Arduino will turn off the water pump. When there is a fire in front of the sensor, then water pump starts the sprinkler. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help or to clear your doubts regarding your project, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To buy the items used in this project, you can visit our website www.erroltech.com. You can give us the orders on WhatsApp also. Thank you so much.